Hello there, welcome back. I'm going to show you the progress currently. Painter has begun his sanding and just doing a little bit of trims. He's put on the plastic everywhere and masked up, so basically ready to go for spray paint. So he'll be starting that tomorrow or the next day.
Okay, so I'm just gonna start fitting off some of the switching. Over here, as you can see, what I've done sort of before it was plastered was just tape everything up. Also preparation for it to be spray painted by taping it all up. If they come along and just spray paint the whole thing, then all my labels are covered. So what I'm gonna do now actually is prep all the switching and then tuck it in the wall and cover it up with a bag, and that will protect it from when he goes and spray paints. Yeah, as you can see, I'll show you that there. So I'll just rip off all the tape and crack into it.
The builders have put on the doors and architraves and all the skirtings. So down here, looking really good. And the painter has sealed all that up. So yeah, basically ready to go now. Taking the doors off, so he's going to paint them separately. The tiler has done the floor in here. The painter's just going to do like a strip here, and same with on the other side here. I need to get this filled up to level for the tiles. So at the moment this is actually about 1300 wide, and the standard glass doors that come from Mitre 10 or Bunnings are only 1200 unless I get one custom made, but I'd rather not go down that route. So yeah, we'll get that. The tiler's going to do a little nib in the front here. I've had to postpone the flooring a little bit just to make sure that painter can be 100% complete. So painter can come in, tiler's going to be in next week. So it'll be about, say, 5 days from now, give or take. So Tyler will come and do his bit, and then yeah, by then painter will be done. So once painter's finished in here, like spray painting and everything, I'll start putting up lights and yeah, ceiling fixtures. So that'll we'll start getting a little bit of lighting going on there. So that's going to be awesome. Aside from that, not too much has changed. Yeah, so as you can see, everything's all plasticed up, ready for a good spray paint blast. On the weekend, I went through and put a lot of the switching behind all of this. So I've actually fit off all the switches. So that means that as soon as it's painted, I can put those on straight away. The only ones I haven't done so far, the exterior stuff. So all the internal stuff is effectively safe because it's all on surface sockets, but the exterior stuff, some of them are just bare wires. We got Luna. She's enjoying herself in the sand. She seems to like running around in the grass. And some nice rainwater there for her. I have linear wall lights coming for here and on the other side, so they should be due soon. Looking forward to how that's going to look once it's all sealed up. Thank you for coming along and watching this process. I will. The next video will be pretty much once everything is painted, and we'll go from there. At the meantime, I need to get some measurements for the desk that's in here. So I've got a workbench that's going to go in here made out of either macrocarpa or oak. Not too sure just yet, but yeah, that's the plan, as well as getting some measurements on the floor here. So from this pillar, this is sort of the entranceway, we're going to get some wooden slats put here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to have 7 or 8 wooden slats going from here all the way up to the ceiling. So it kind of divides that entranceway up a little bit, and obviously right on this wall is going to be cupboards coming out about 550, 600. So you're going to have oven and everything here. So you know, you wouldn't want to have the oven door open and someone walk around the corner here and just like into that. So that will kind of keep that space and the entrance flowing a bit better. Cheers for following along in the process. I'm certainly learning a lot, and it is no short of a lot of work, that is for sure. Got all the light fittings here already, so most of them are Halcyons, and yeah, so in the main area. So what I'll do is I'll do a detailed video of all of the lights that I'm actually putting into the place, and the reasons why I've chosen these fittings. Mainly is low glare, decent CRI, and dimmable. Those were sort of the 3 main criteria that I was looking for. Obviously price is always one of them, but once you start going with quality fittings, you've got to be careful, because you could go from a fitting that's $10 to $50 and not gain much. So you've got to be careful with that. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for coming along. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out a lot, and I will continue to put out content like this. Cheers. Thank you.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.